changes.
Today we're doing something that might get me behind the box, if you already know what I mean. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're starting North Korea's operating system. Yeah, you heard me right. Thankfully I found an English ISO, so I don't have to use the translator every time. So let's go. First let's open VirtualBox. I'm informed, and it's called Red Star OS. It's a 32-bit legacy version of Linux. So let's go here. See, Red Star OS. What? Red Hat? Linux. Deep. Oh, other Linux, 32-bit. Okay. Right here, let's go and put in 1 gig, 8 gig of 8 gigs of only 8 gigs of hard drive. Why is it not closing? Why is it not closing? Okay, so now let's go Red Star. But okay guys, my computer, I don't think my computer is working fine because I skipped an update. Let's go right here, create an image file. No, create. 70 gigs. Right here on the ISO, let's go, and right here I have the Red Star EN ISO. First, I am a bit skeptical about this. Let's go, open. I'm scared. I don't know what will happen. What will happen? I'm scared. I am scared. I'm scared. Wait, so see you when it's done. Okay guys, finally it worked, but there is a problem. I downloaded the English ISO. Oh. The petite table was unreadable, cause yep. An error has occurred. Please check my hardware. What the hell? Why does it not work? Oh my freaking god. Okay guys, I'm booting into the Windows 7 installation environment, so I create a partition. So I can create a partition. Let's see. I set the virtual machine type to other Linuxes, so now let's see. It works. I don't know why Windows 7 sometimes do the Vista boot logo. Okay. Yeah, Italian, go install. Obviously, I'm not installing Windows 7, I'm installing Red Star OS, but I need to get into the environment to create a new partition and then to install a Red Star OS on. Let's read. Okay, I accept. Let's do a new partition. Did I delete it? I do new. Okay guys, I created it. Now let's turn off. Let's go restore again. So now it's going to work apparently because I created a partition. It took me 3 years only to download the Red Star OS ISO. Now let's see if it works or if it takes 2,000 years. It's definitely taking 2,000 years. Okay guys, next, and Untitled right here. The pre-existing site destroying all data. Yes. Administrator username. The passcode 1234 12. Okay, now Nathan's check closet. Nathan's check closet. Okay, guys. There isn't my time zone, so I think I need to go search it. Italy. Where is Italy? Italy. I need to find Europe. Put rules. Okay, guys. I think I need to choose this. This is it. It's not. It's 14. You're about to install the system. Install. Let's wait for it to install. Oh my god, what am I doing? What in the world am I doing? Oh my god. North Korea, please don't sue me. So let's wait for it to format and for it to install. Create a swap file. Starting. Thank you for the installation. So it's installing in 1 second, most likely. Because it's Linux. So I spoke too soon. I think I spoke too soon. I like this where but the rainbow cursor exits out, and I see it on Windows 2. Transfer. Oh, on Windows 2, not Windows 2. Windows 2. What is it doing? I am scared that this affects my PC, and I use the PC. I restart the PC, and I see my PC in Korean. Imagine if that happens, I will do 6 minutes. Okay, guys. See you later. Okay, guys, it's been a while. And it's done. Let's put in my passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't hack me. And let's go on the browser, guys. I want to go on the browser to see what it looks like. It's like some frappy. It's okay, guys. So I hope you I hope you enjoyed my video. Goodbye.